Hello, in this video I like to show you a few things about forward bends that I find very important. And so we're going to do Janu Shirshasana and Paschimottanasana. So when you come into your forward bends, you can also sit on a pillow or on a block if you feel that your hamstrings are very tight, or you can have your knees a little bit bent. You do not want to roll back and do your forward bends from your back. You really want to think of your rib cage to touch towards your thighs. So Janu Shirshasana, you're going to take your right foot inside your left leg. Make sure your left leg is straight, and then you're going to take your hands to the inner thigh and roll it back and lift the flesh of your sit bones a little bit up. Good. And then inhale, lengthen, float the arms all the way up, and keeping the length in your body, fold forward. And again, you can be anywhere here. You can be here and just reach your hands back and your heart forward. And then you can walk your hands a little bit further, and with each breath, really soften and go a little bit deeper. Take a look at my foot. It's still engaged as if I'm pressing into a wall. So what takes you deeper into the pose is not your ego to touch the toes or anything like that. What takes you deeper really is your breathing. And then from here, you're going to inhale and come back up and switch. Shake out both legs. And then you're going to take your left foot inside your right leg. Once again, move the flesh out, sitting nice and tall. Inhale, float the arms up. And then keeping that length, take a look at my back, fold forward. And then go deeper with each breath. And then inhale, come all the way back up. And straighten both legs, shake them out. And then the same thing. You're going to take your hands to the inner thighs, take the flesh up and back. So when we inner spiral the legs, it creates a space in the lower back, which will protect us as we fold forward. And then from here, and again, remember you can have your knees a little bit bent. Inhale, lift the arms, find length first, and then exhale, lengthen to fold forward. And you can hold on to your shins, to your ankles, maybe hold on to your toes or your feet. And then with each exhale, go a little bit deeper. So really let the pose unfold and deepen as you soften, not by pushing anything forward. And then as you inhale, you're going to release, press into your legs to come back up and shake out your legs and continue with your practice. I like to go from here into meditation or even into Shavasana. Thank you so much for watching. Namaste.